In this section and lecture, we will discuss double entry accounting system. The concept behind double entry is that every business transaction causes at least two changes in the financial position of a business concern at the same time. The core idea is to record the dual effects of each business transaction. It is a system under which both the changes in a transaction are recorded together. One change is debited and the other change is credited with an equal amount. We will again refer here to our accounting equation. Assets equals liabilities plus equity. Assets, if you remember, anything the business owns is an asset, while liabilities, everything that the business owes is a liability. As you can see, this equation must balance at all times, but some people get confused that the entry on the both sides of the equation has to be made. This is not correct. Both the entries of debits and credits can be on any side. Important thing is that the equation should remain balanced. Mean that if $10,000 on the left side, then there should be $10,000 on the right side also.